Hi friends, it's Julia and I have my July Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit. Now this one was based on the Paper Person new episode kit from April of 2021, and there were a lot of greens and teals, some pinks and golds in that kit. So I went through my Felicity Jane kits and I found this one called Sarah from 2019. I don't remember which month in 2019 it came out, but it was one from 2019. Anywho, it's got some of the blues, it's got some teal, it's got, or minty green, it's got pinks, it's got golds, yeah. And of course, you know, most all of the Felicity Jane comes with white. There's a few bits and pieces here and there that come in with a more cream tone undertone, but this one is white, and this is what the kit looks like. And I ordered this twice, once at regular price, I think, as a kit, and then again when it went on clearance. So I actually have two kits here. So let me pull out everything and show you what I have. Now I will tell you the second one has everything included here. The only thing I think I don't have is the stamp. So there's everything in there, and I'm going to show you all of that here. Or no, these are the additional things, so I guess I should show you that other one first. But let me show you this. Let me pull that away and put that there. Okay, this is everything from my original kit that I had. I had the pocket page cards, the epoxy dots, the puffy title stickers, the die cut shapes, the photo corners, and the Sarah chipboard alphabet, and of course all the paper. There are 12 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sheets. Whoops, and I had an extra one that I stuck in there. So 8 sheets of paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now all of these are double-sided. So here's the first side. These two are solid papers, the rest are patterns. And then on the back side, these are black and white, and then a couple of additional colors. With the exception of this one, it has the mint color polka dots on it. So in gathering supplies, you know, when I buy things on clearance, I think I'm putting everything back in. I don't think that goes with this one. I tend to duplicate a lot of things. And so in this, I have duplicated the puffy stickers, the Sarah letters, and then the photo corners. I actually have a couple of packages of those, as well as the puffy dots. So I have 2 sets of all of these. 3 sets of the photo corners, which, you know, I'm never going to complain of. And then at a different point, I had ordered some, like a grab bag box, and I got a couple of sheets of the Sarah paper in that. So I have these 2 patterns from that kit, or from that collection that I purchased. And then this is the addition of the paper, all of the same papers that were in there. And there's 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there's all of those. So I went through some random embellishments that I have for Felicity Jane, and I pulled in some additional embellishments. And let me pull this. These 2 sheets right here are the ones that I used as my inspiration sheets. So I pulled in several sheets of paper that were from a grab bag. This is from Denise in 2019. This one is from Megan in 2019, and this is also from Megan in 2019. And you can see these colors have the same feels as what's in here, the same golds, mints, and you have some additional colors back here that show up in that polka dot there as well. So I pulled those in. Then I found these Megan paper bows, and it has the dark blue, the gold, the mint, the white, the pinks. So that's cool. These Gina puffy stickers, also same color scheme. It pulls in some of the darker green tones there, but everything else matches well. I have these willow puffy stickers that I pulled in. This pack is partial, well, both packs are partially used, but this one's really down to mostly just the numbers. So I'm going to work with those. And then I pulled in these Shea arrow stickers, and arrows and ampersands is what it's called. So I have this to add in. Then I went through and I pulled in some cardstock from my stash, and I pulled in white, blue, and green. So I have 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces, and if I put this here, you can see, I think it matches. This green shade here is in the leaves of this paper. This is kind of a grayish tone color, but it really has the same feel in this one. And then of course the blue can match either of the blues, but it can also be grounding for any of those. And then I pulled in some washi tapes. I pulled in a couple of blues, a pink, and a gold. This one I don't know where it's from. That one is Recollections, that one is Recollections, and that one is Recollections. And that may be Recollections as well. I don't know. They've just been in my stash. So this is everything I have pulled together for my July 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit. I will be working ahead for September, for Scrapbook September with Christy's Beautiful Life. She's moved her challenge. She's postponed it back until September. Working along with, don't make me lie to you. I have it written down, but not right in front of me. Anywho, so I'll be working towards that, but I'm going to be pulling in some of my smaller kits. And for me, this is a bit of a larger kit, but in one feel, it's also a little bit large. So I'm going to see what I can do with this kit, continue working with it and playing with it until I get some more of it used, or till I can get this used up throughout the month. Anyway, I'll try and keep you guys updated. I know I haven't been the best about posting, but stick around, and hopefully I will be better at it soon. No guarantees, but I'm working at it, guys. Anyway, I will see you on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.